Cordless impact drivers deliver portable power, fast fastening, and reduced fatigue, making them essential for efficient construction, automotive, and DIY tasks. My today's video is about top 5 best cordless impact driver that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Lithely Cordless Impact Driver. This cordless impact driver stands out with its impressive balance of power, control, and versatility. The brushless motor delivers a robust 20-35 Nlbs of max torque, making it more than capable of handling stubborn fasteners, heavy-duty assembly, and demanding DIY or garage tasks. Its 3 speed settings and up to 3,500 IPM provide excellent control, allowing users to shift from delicate work to high-speed driving without sacrificing efficiency or precision. The quick connect 1/4-inch chuck ensures smooth, tool-free bit changes, saving time during busy projects. A built-in LED work light adds real-world practicality, illuminating tight or dim workspaces with ease. What truly sets this tool apart is the Lithely U20 Super Battery, which not only powers the driver but also works across the U20 ecosystem and doubles as a power bank. It's a smart, powerful solution for modern users. Now our second product is Propmex Cordless Impact Driver. This cordless impact wrench delivers impressive power and reliability for demanding everyday jobs. Its efficient brushless motor produces up to 900 ft-lbs of torque with speeds reaching 3,500 revolutions per minute, making quick work of stubborn, rusted, or over-tightened bolts. Compared to traditional motors, it runs longer, stays quieter, and operates spark-free, improving comfort and durability on the job. 3 forward speed modes provide precise control, while the reverse brake stop feature adds safety by preventing loose nuts from flying off. The included dual 4.0Ah batteries offer extended runtime, and fast charging keeps downtime minimal. A built-in LED work light ensures accuracy in dark or tight spaces. With a complete kit of impact sockets, extension rod, charger, and batteries, it's ready to use straight out of the box. Ideal for car maintenance, machinery repair, construction tasks, and DIY projects, this tool balances power, convenience, and value exceptionally well. Our third product is Greenworks Cordless Impact Driver. This 1/2 drill and 1/4 impact driver combo is a versatile, all-in-one solution for DIYers and professionals alike. The drill delivers smooth, precise control with its 2-speed transmission and 400 Nlbs of torque, handling wood, metal, and everyday fastening with ease. Paired with it, the impact driver's powerful 1,950 Nlbs torque and 3,400 revolutions per minute make short work of heavy-duty screws and bolts. The 24V brushless motor stands out, offering stronger performance, cooler operation, and noticeably longer runtime than typical 20V tools. Weighing just 4.7 pounds, the ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue during extended use, while built-in LED lights improve visibility in tight or dark spaces. With multiple clutch settings, quick-release collet, and a generous accessory kit, this combo is ready straight out of the box. The USB-C batteries doubling as fast-charging power banks add exceptional real-world value. Now number 4, Craftsman Cordless Impact Driver. This impact driver delivers reliable performance for everyday fastening and demanding tasks alike. With up to 1,460 Nlbs of torque and speeds reaching 2,800 revolutions per minute and 3,100 IPM, it drives screws, lag bolts, and large fasteners quickly and efficiently. The power feels well balanced, making it suitable for both home improvement projects and light professional use. A quick-release chuck allows for smooth, one-handed bit changes, saving time and keeping workflow uninterrupted. The built-in LED light is a practical addition, improving visibility when working in dim corners, cabinets, or tight spaces. Powered by the V2020 Volt Max lithium-ion system, the included 1.3Ah battery provides dependable runtime for common tasks, while the charger ensures simple recharging. Overall, this impact driver offers solid torque, user-friendly features, and dependable performance in a compact, straightforward kit that's ideal for users seeking efficiency without unnecessary complexity. And our last choice is Exuda Cordless Impact Driver. This cordless impact wrench is built for serious power and demanding applications. Delivering an impressive 1500 Nm, 1107 ft-lbs, of torque and up to 3,500 revolutions per minute, it tackles heavy-duty tasks like stubborn tire removal, automotive repairs, industrial maintenance, and large DIY projects with ease. The pure copper brushless motor enhances efficiency, running cooler, quieter, and spark-free while extending tool lifespan and reducing maintenance needs. Practical details elevate the user experience, including a smooth, responsive trigger and an intelligent LED light that activates with use and stays on briefly after release for better visibility in dark or enclosed spaces. Dual 4.0Ah lithium-ion batteries provide strong, stable output and durability, even under continuous high load. With 3 adjustable speed modes, forward and reverse control, and built-in safety features, this tool offers precision and confidence. Backed by responsive after-sales support, it's a reliable choice for professionals and serious DIYers alike. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.